These are variegated gold leaf flakes. I keep mine in a tin instead of the containers they come in because I can work directly in that tin, as well as the fact that it doesn't have any static. I really like to use the gold leaf flakes in paper crafting, but I also love using it with resin. I put some at the bottom of this mold, and then I also mixed it right into some resin. So when I put my resin down with the different colors as well as the clear, it's going to mix in there as well as be at the base of the coasters that I'm creating. Now that the flakes that I added to the bottom of the coaster mold is going to be a little bit bigger and rubbed around, and the ones that I added directly to the resin and then poured in there are going to be smaller, and they're just going to be a little bit more evenly spaced. They will also float more within these resin coasters. I use a heat gun to remove any of the bubbles that float to the surface. And for the coasters here, I also added a little bit of white pigment. Not absolutely necessary, but I love the way it plays off the variegated gold leaf flakes in these coasters. After that, I let them cure for a day before demolding, and I love the way the clear and the gold leaf flakes as well as the white resin play off with each other. It makes a really interesting pattern. These variegated leaf flakes have such beautiful, interesting colors with them. I absolutely love this mix.